Okay, let's do a few examples on review fractions and mixed numbers, and the directions are telling us write these fractions as mixed numbers or as a whole numbers if you can. So we have 52 over 8. So we want to change this to a mixed number, so the bar is like the bar right here. We can circle the bar. The bar right here is like telling us to divide 52 divided by 8. So we're going to do that. 52 divided by 8. So we're going to divide. 8 goes into 52 6 times. 8 times 6 is 48. 52 minus 48 is 4. So we have a remainder of 4. And now our whole number would be 6. Our remainder would go in the numerator position. And then the 8 would be the denominator. But we can reduce 4 over 8 to a half, since 4 goes into 4 one times and 4 goes to 8 two times. So we change 4 over 8 into a half, and we carry over to 6, and our final answer would be 6.5. Okay, so let's go to the next example. We have 30 over 13. So basically this bar is telling us to divide in a way. And so we have 30 divided by 13. So we're going to divide. 13 goes into 30 two times. 13 times 2 is 26. So 30 minus 26 is 4. So we have a remainder of 4. So our whole number would be 2. So we put 2 as our whole number. 13 would be our denominator. And our remainder would be 4. So that would go in the numerator position. So as you can see, 13 times 2 is 26 plus the 4 is 30. So you can see it matches with this original fraction. So this is the final answer to this question right here. You can't reduce it any more than it can. So this is the final answer right here. Okay, let's go to the next example. We have a 17-inch piece of string is divided into 8 equal pieces. How long are the pieces? Give your answer using a mixed number and as a decimal. So a 17-inch piece of string is divided into 8 equal pieces. So that's basically telling us 17 over 8. And remember, the bar is telling us to divide, and we gotta change this into a mixed number. So that's how you do it. So we're gonna divide. 8 goes into 17 two times. 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 17 minus 16 is 1. So we have a remainder of 1. We have 2 as our whole number, 8 as our denominator, and our remainder is 1. So now we have, as you can see, is 8 times 2 is 16 plus the 1 is 17. So we have 17 over 8. So this is our final answer, 2 and 1 over 8. And so we have our answer as a mixed number, and we can change this to a decimal. And by changing it, we would put the 2 before the decimal point, and we would just divide 8. We would just divide 1 divided by 8, and it would give us 125. So this would be the decimal answer right here, 2.125 inches. So this is the answer in fraction mixed number form, and this is the answer in decimal form. So that we have the mixed number answer and the decimal form answer. Okay, we want to write as fractions. Think of this shortcut. So we basically want to change mixed numbers to fractions. So let me do a few examples. Let's say we have 8.5. So in order to change this to a fraction, you would just do 2 times 8 is 16 plus the 1 would be 17. So we put 17 in our numerator and just keep the same denominator 2 over here. So our final answer would be 17 over 2. Okay, let's do another example. We have 9 over 4 over 5. So basically, to change this mixed number to a fraction, we have to multiply 9 times 5 is 45, plus the 4 would be 49. So we put 49 as our new numerator, and we just keep the 5 as our denominator. So our final answer would be 49 over 5. So this is definitely the answer right here, 49 over 5. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here